या हाय सर, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? ओह,
Hi,
यू
ma'am.
डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी?
Yeah, I don't understand Hindi. How are you doing?
आई एम ग्रेट सर, थैंक यू सो फॉर गिव मी अपॉर्चुनिटी दिस. आई
No problem.
वांट, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर सिंस 2-3 weeks.
Oh, really sorry about the
आई एम
delay,
अ बिग फैन
actually.
ऑफ यू.
Oh, thank you so much. Do you watch my video a
आई
lot?
लाइक योर वे एक्चुअली, हाउ टू स्पीक यू. आई लाइक योर वे सीरियसली.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Do you also have a YouTube channel?
Recently I create a YouTube channel where I
Okay.
upload just short video, just new words and new idioms.
Okay. So you've been
Yeah.
learning English?
Yeah, since it's been 1 month, only
Oh,
one
you
month.
you just started learning English. Okay.
Yes,
Sure. Yeah, we'll
I
talk
know.
about that.
Yeah, I can read, I can write, but while the speaking, I stuck that time. So actually, earlier I think about this language. This is not cup of my tea.
Okay.
But yeah, one day just I scrolling the YouTube channel, how to improve your communication skills. That time I came across with Rajni Verma's video and Sunita
Okay.
Rawat video. I inspired from them actually for
Okay.
this
And
language.
I see that you also speak very good English.
Not much, but yeah, I will try.
Okay, sure.
I feel so nervous, since morning
Oh, you
to
don't
speak
have
with
to
you.
be nervous. No, even I also get nervous sometimes, but that's part of it. We can just get over it later. No problem, ma'am. Okay, let's have the introduction first. Yeah, may I know
Uh,
about you?
yeah. Thank you for sir giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Actually, so I'm a homemaker, and I have a one son who is studying class 10, and my husband work in Toronto now, and I live in beautiful city of Dehradun.
Okay.
My in-laws live in Delhi,
Oh,
and all managing the my house chores. I do part-time job as a part-time job in a IT sector in a night shift.
oh, that's cool.
And yes, so if you talk about my qualification, I have done my master computer science, and I have 8 years experience in teaching field also.
Okay,
And yes,
what do you teach? IT
I
related?
IT
Okay,
computer teacher.
like
Yes,
computer
so
science.
I have 8 years experience in this field actually.
Wow, that's really great. That's cool. So now you are living in Dehradun. Oh my God, that's a beautiful city, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I my own house in Delhi actually, but
Okay.
due to pollution, day by day population, water crisis are there. So my husband and me planning to live here. Right now, I live in rented house. I purchased a land here, so we are planning to build a house here.
Oh, that's a great plan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch your videos daily.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me.
You
Okay.
are a so humble person actually. I
Oh,
want to meet you actually. Whenever you come and you visit in Uttarakhand and Dehradun especially, so please,
okay.
I want to meet you. You can give me a message. I want to meet you.
I don't know if I have a plan to come there. Let me tell you. Yeah. So I will ask you one question. Since your husband is in Toronto, right? Canada, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. Have you been to Canada? Did he take you to Canada?
Not get the chance now, but yeah, we are planning to go some for some vacation actually, not for settle, but some vacation. We
Yeah, you
want to
should
go.
definitely go and check. Actually, one of my friends, he is living in, I mean, he lived in Canada for some time. Now he's moved to US. He told me like Canada is a very beautiful place. Like it has a lot, and especially
Yeah.
in the during the winter time and all the Niagara Falls and everything. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place, it seems.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to go to many countries, but I don't know when I'm going to do that.
Yeah,
Mhm.
same here. I'm a traveling person, but after marriage, after having a son, so many responsibilities are there. So, yeah, day by day, if you go, involved in a responsibility, so it's like
You cannot take
just get
leave.
the
Yeah, you
yeah.
like will be stuck in there. Okay, I will ask you a question. What is your son studying?
My son in class 10th now.
Oh, class 10th. Okay, you look
He's a
so
boy.
younger.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I thought you just got married. Okay.
Actually, I got married at the age of 22.
Oh, that might be the reason.
That is right. reason. Everyone told me like that.
Okay, no problem. So, like,
Compliment for me.
yeah. No, I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so I want to know, like, for how long you've been learning English, and are you doing any practices?
Actually, you know what? I just earlier I told you, na, I thought this is not cup of my tea. I don't want to learn this language. And yes, somehow I can manage the old things like some attend the workshop and some speech in the front of student or sometimes someone person, and I can manage all things. But as a fluent speaker, I never thought I would be there. After that, I install a CV app actually, where I can where I can connect so many co-learners and we can speak. And I used to talk 3-4 hours on that app.
Oh my
So
God.
many co-learners. Yeah, so many
Okay.
co-learners are there and watching podcast videos, reading books. I'm not into reading, but right now I'm reading for add the some vocabulary and so many things. So
Okay.
yeah, it's been 1 month, so it's I feel so good actually. I
Well,
love this
actually,
language.
actually speaking, 1 month, if you're speaking like this, that I mean, if you're speaking like this, that is actually a very good improvement. Usually, we don't see people with this kind of improvement in just 1 month. It's really
I
incredible what you've done.
I don't know what is my level. I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying to best my my
You're
part.
trying your best. Okay. I think you're at the intermediate level and you are very confident and you have a very good pronunciation and also the way you talk is very presentable. Like people will like you when they talk with you. So I think you
Thank you so
have
much.
more communication skills, I guess. Maybe that's
Thank you
because
so
of the teaching profession that you were into.
yeah.
Yeah. So you
Mm,
naturally have this good communication skill.
yeah. It's my
Good.
passion actually. I want to teach this language. When I master on this language, I want to teach them people who are struggling a lot for this language, free of
Hmm.
cost. Seriously, it's my it's my dream actually. Lots of people I saw, and I came across meet with people that so many people are studying on this language
Yeah.
because what I feel. It doesn't. I tell you not one story. My experience actually.
Yeah, sure.
When I when I connect with CV app, so many co-learners are asked about are you from English medium or Hindi medium. So I feel doesn't matter you are from English medium or Hindi medium.
Yeah.
If you want to speak in English, doesn't matter
Right.
because what in my school life, it's like we learn English as a subject, just mug up the question answer to getting the good marks only.
Right.
No one forces to speak to speaking skills. No one forces, no one care about it.
Yeah.
And when we complete our 12th, then we face that type of that type of what you say, that type of struggling the speaking English
Right. Right.
that we face. So I feel in an Indian government should be take should take responsibility for this. Just add the curriculum like speaking skills. As a speaking skill, you have to speak. If government should be there first to 12th. So I think no one should struggle for this language.
Correct. I completely agree with you. Whatever you said is exactly true. Even I am also thinking like that. The government should create an initiative. They should start English medium
Yes.
schools, or else they should put some English related things in schools. Like most
Yes.
of the schools available in this country are the mother tongue medium schools. Especially in our state, Tamil Nadu, we have many Tamil medium schools. Like in
Mhm.
each and every village you can find a Tamil medium school, but the government also has state board English medium schools, but those are very less. It goes to very few people. So I mean, I'm not a person who can suggest the government, but what I really want is actually in my state, actually in my villages, there should be minimum some amount of English medium schools so that the students can learn English, or else the government should give training to teachers first to speak in English, because most of the schools, even private schools, even though they are English medium, still the teachers don't speak in English. They
Yes,
themselves
definitely.
need training.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also face this problem. My son also from English medium. He don't want to speak in English actually, but
Mhm.
I forced to him to speak in English with me because I don't want to he face that type of challenges with in future. So
Right.
I want to tell him in a CV app also just spend half an hour on this app to speak someone in English. So yeah, now he is able to speak in English.
Is he talking to you only in English now?
Not every time because
Okay.
our mother tongue is Hindi. Not every
Okay.
time, but I want to create that type of atmosphere where I can speak with English to
Yeah.
1 hour, 2 hours like that.
Yeah, that is
Sometime.
actually very good initiative that you're doing. You whatever you're doing is actually a good thing because in future your son will not face the challenges that what we are facing today or what we
I
have
really
faced.
want. I don't want to he face that type of problem. In future. I don't
Yeah,
want.
yeah, and especially while going attending interviews in big companies like very big corporate companies,
But
it's very difficult to clear an interview if we don't speak in English. And even if you're an entrepreneur, like even if you want to create a start a business or run a company, English is must now because English has become a global language. Everybody speaks English so that you can interact with one another. Well, if we keep talking about our mother tongue, well, we can have your own business only in your locality, but it cannot reach worldwide.
yes. So it's very important. Nowadays it's a crucial language actually, English. So yeah. But I love this language.
I think now it's very easy to learn this language because of the technology available.
Yeah, yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, due to technology, we can learn this language easily.
So I want to ask you, like, so yeah, you said you're doing speaking practice, right? Other than that, are you doing any other practices like reading or listening?
Watching podcast videos, yes,
Or you watch
listening.
podcast videos like
Yeah,
domestic or
conversation with
international
Rajni
speakers?
Verma and you and
Oh,
Sunita Rawat
yeah.
and
Oh,
Neha Ma'am also here, Himachali tutor.
oh, yeah,
You
yeah,
had a conversation with them, yes. You had
yeah,
a
yeah.
conversation with
I know her.
them. Yeah, I watch.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So you've been doing this for the last 1 month. Do you have plan to upload videos like this, like the conversational?
Yeah, definitely. I want to. When I watched Rajni Verma video, that day I decided I want to be there.
Okay, you also want to do this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I want to this. I love this. I know this type of platform. I love this where we have exposure to ourselves.
Yeah. Actually, the thing is, in my personal experience, I'm telling you, well, if you can upload videos regularly, if you can upload your conversational videos, within 6 months, you'll be able to see a big difference in your English. Because
Mm,
before starting YouTube channel, I speak English, but comparing to now, I think my English was not very good that time, but now I've improved a lot because of this YouTube channel. Because when you are on a YouTube, when you're on a public platform, everybody is watching you, so you have
yes.
this consciousness, okay, we have to really improve your English, so we'll
Yeah.
improve our English very faster.
Yeah. When I mailed you first day, so that time I got your reply. That time, I feel nervous. May I talk to him or not?
Why? am,
I,
am I going to kill you or what? Okay.
yeah. So I mailed to you and you reply me. That time, just I think, yeah, it's done. It's good for me or not. I'm able to speak in front of Ram sir or not. So I think about it that much, at that time. But yeah,
Okay.
I want to speak. But that's it.
Yeah, I mean the nervousness that you're saying. Well, maybe you are feeling it. I mean, you're feeling it inside, but on the outside, we are not able to see any nervousness. You are so confident.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't
really.
know. Nervous.
Okay. I was about to
Yeah.
ask you what are your hobbies? Do you have any hobbies now?
Um, my hobby will be completely changed now. I miss on this language only.
Okay.
Whenever I get the time and I watch podcast videos and in English videos and movies and reading books, so many collection I have,
Oh,
books. I want to be, master on this language now. So in my mind, always in English, English, English.
oh,
I
that's
think
great.
about it.
So now you have changed the environment around you into English.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Oh, that's
completely.
cool. That's actually very good thing to do. I mean, especially to learn English. Even I also did this for a long time now, but it's very difficult to manage that. If it's very difficult to maintain that because since we are in our mother tongue environment, sometimes it interferes, it keeps interrupting,
Yeah,
but it's
yeah.
challenging.
Because I have a, one mother tongue is Hindi and one is Gadwali because I'm from Uttarakhand. So I
Okay.
used to talk with my parents Gadwali.
Even Sunita
And
also from Uttarakhand, I guess.
yeah, she's also from Uttarakhand. She's also from Uttarakhand.
Okay. Does she speak your language, Gadwali?
Yeah, I think.
Hmm.
I
Okay.
think she speaks. But she live in village, so she used to speak in Gadwali in a with relatives.
Okay. So, what are your? I mean, what food do you like? Do you have any favorite
Yes,
cuisines, favorite food? Are
it's
you
a
a
very, it's like it's after having a son, and my also no like and no dislike.
okay.
Whatever my son like or dislike that, if he want that thing, so I have
Have to
it.
accept it. Yeah. You cannot have whatever you like.
Happened
You
after
can
being
have
a
only
mother.
what he likes. Okay.
Yeah, now it's changed.
Okay, I understand. So when you, in case if you ever have a plan to come to Tamil Nadu, you should have dosa and idli.
I
You
used to
this.
make my son like dosa and idli. I used to make that.
Okay, you make it in your
Yeah.
house?
Yes, yes,
Oh, I
definitely.
think
I
I
have.
thought the people
Yeah,
in Uttarakhand they eat chapati a lot, I guess.
yeah.
Roti.
It's chapati, but yeah, my son likes, so I make. I want. I make.
You
I
make.
also like that. Yeah,
Okay.
I
Okay,
also
cool.
like that. It's
Nice
a
one.
healthy food, actually.
Yeah, it's actually very healthy. And idli is very healthy, not dosa. Dosa because it has oil in it, but idli is
Yeah,
very healthy. And
I don't want to make dosa, but I used to make sambar or idli. Huh?
sambar and idli. Okay.
Sambar, yes.
Yeah, that's really good. Even today morning I had that idli and sambar and chutney, coconut, three varieties of chutney
Mm,
they made in my
mm.
house.
Yeah, I used to make
Yeah,
in a weekly.
weekly once. So normally, what's your normal diet? You eat only chapati and roti, right?
I'm not into junk food actually. Also, my son also. We are very health conscious, so don't want to go in a junk food. So I just morning Uttarakhandi people is a simple dishes like chapati and vegetables, in afternoon rice and dal or any kind of dal, and we like curry chawal. You know curry chawal, rice and curry. No,
You mean
but
rice and vegetables?
yeah, it's some type of curry, but it's made from buttermilk.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I think I've heard it.
It's color yellow.
Yeah, I know. So this is like similar to sambar, but it's made with buttermilk.
Yeah, you could
You you
say
pu-
that.
you put all the vegetables in the buttermilk and you cook it, right?
Like that.
Similarly,
Yes.
okay. That is we call it as more kulambu in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Yeah, we also have that actually. That's called more kulambu. That means a buttermilk dish. It's a buttermilk gravy or something.
People like that with the curry chawal mostly.
Okay.
And
Actually,
everything same with chapati and vegetables. It's a simple, simple dish.
oh, that's fine. I mean, I never thought that you would have rice in the afternoon because mostly North Indians they don't take much rice, right?
Actually, we are from Uttarakhand, so we need rice actually.
Oh,
In afternoon, if you didn't get the afternoon, then we will get evening in a dinner at a dinner.
so at least once in a day you have rice.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. From
Oh,
Uttarakhandi people, everyone love rice.
oh, that means it's very common to South India, I guess. The eating habits. That's really great.
Mm.
Cool, ma'am. Nice. Okay, if you don't have any other question, maybe we can wind up the session for now.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. But
Yeah.
I want to meet you again in future. So definitely, I want, I will connect you.
Sure.
Because I
And
love your videos. Actually, I love your videos. I used to listen your videos, and you are a very humble person, I would say.
okay, now you're not listening my videos?
Yeah, I listening. I used to watch your videos, Sunita Rawat videos, Rajni Verma's
Okay.
video, four YouTubers video. Yeah, you,
Okay, okay.
Rajni Verma, Sunita Rawat, and Neha Rana.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
so
I
yeah, if
think
you get
I
it,
will. I think I will be
yeah,
making a video with Neha Rana ma'am again. She
yeah,
pinged me like 2 days ago, and I'm not getting time to make a video with her because I already have appointments. I mean, scheduled for different people.
okay, okay.
Maybe next week I'll be having a conversation with her.
Okay, very nice. So I watch your videos.
Yeah, she's from Himachal, I guess.
Yeah, she's from Himachal. His channel name Himachali Tutor.
Ah, yeah,
Her
her
channel name.
channel. No
Correct
problem.
myself.
No, no, don't try to correct your grammar mistakes. It's fine. The very important thing is we have to speak. If we keep thinking about grammar mistakes, then we won't be able to talk.
So, how can I know my level?
Well, there are a lot of tools available nowadays. I think you're on the intermediate level. Well, have you tried using this Chat GPT AI tool?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. So I will suggest you do one thing. What you can do is just discuss about a particular topic with ChatGPT, like for at least
Okay,
20 minutes, and then you ask
okay,
ChatGPT what is your fluency level. It can give more or less accurate level, what your fluency
okay,
is. Yeah, it can give. So based on your English, it will tell you that you are in this level. I think you're not a beginner. I think you are in the upper part of the intermediate level.
Hmm.
Yeah, maybe
Thank
if
you so much
you, yeah, no
for boost
problem.
my confidence.
You're already very confident. Okay, so maybe if you keep practicing this for another 4 5 months, you can become a very good speaker. I'm telling you
I
very
was.
confidently, because with
Thank you so
your
much.
appearance and the presence and the way you speak, the only thing is a little bit of you're getting stuck here and there, but that will be taken care as you keep practicing for the next few months.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
No
Thank you so much.
no problem, ma'am.